Hello, hello. I figured I might as well just get 2 videos out of this mukbang. So, just in case I upload these separately, I don't have much left, but I have lobster tail, corn, a little bit of potato, um, a little bit of red pepper sausage, chicken sausage, Italian sausage is really good. And then my mocktail, which is peach nectar juice with ginger ale and some sliced fruit, strawberries and blueberries I put in mine. You could put whatever you want in yours. There's no set rules, and the straw is a glass straw by Glass Dharma. That's the smoothie size straw that I have because I do a lot of smoothies, so I just drink everything through this straw. Um, so the last video I did, I talked about my foot going to sleep. Ugh. I talked about when your child is being recruited for the next level in sports with college, which is what I'm going through now with my 17-year-old. So that, I just gave a little bit of information if you're going through it. Just be careful who you send your kids off with, because not everybody got your kids' best interest in mind, and they will sit up there and lie to you and say, I'm gonna do this, I'm gonna do that, just to get your kid there and don't do what they say they're gonna do, or they end up leaving the coaches or whatever. So just make sure you do your homework, take your time, and pick the best school that's best gonna suit your child. You know, that's all I can give you. Don't believe everything you hear come out their mouth. See if you can research and make sure, you know, and feel comfortable with what they're saying and that they really want your son. What? Ryan, close my door, please. Um, why are my kids getting on my nerve tonight? I'm aggravated. I'm tired. I'm hot, and they constantly keep coming in my room, aggravating me. Um, so this is a we're gonna have this conversation with my sneakerheads. As soon as I finish chewing. We're gonna have a few conversations. Well, one that I have seen on a few channels. Nah, just one channel, maybe two. Is there a problem with you buying sneakers when you have to finance them? Now, if you don't know, if you go on some of these websites, mostly the resale websites like Stadium Goods, Flight Club, places like that, they have like a financing thing where it's like opening up a credit card uh, for to pay for your purchase. And I heard a young lady say if you gotta finance sneakers, then you can't afford it. That is such a like a I mean, people don't understand. That's a big statement to make. My thing is, and I think some of the people agreed with me when this topic was brought up on another sneaker YouTuber's channel. I said, if you use a credit card, you are financing sneakers. If that money is not coming out of your bank account at the time of purchase, you are financing sneakers. That means if you're most of the time, if you're using a credit card, you don't have the money in your account to purchase sneakers, or you may have the money, but it can't be used for that purpose. So at the end of the day, if you're not using your money at the time of purchase to buy sneakers, you're financing it. I don't care if you if you opening up credit that's on the sneaker site, or you pulling a credit card. If it's not a debit card or cash, you financing it. Point simple as that. And I don't think there's nothing wrong with that. I mean, there might be a sneaker or something that you want, or you might have other things that you want to get to and say, you know what, let me go ahead and put this on my credit card and I hit it off at the end of the month. And this way I can still buy X, Y, and Z that I want. So for some of my sneakerheads that watch my channel, what do you think? Do you see anything wrong with financing sneakers? AKA opening up a line of credit or using your credit card? Let me know what you think. Because to me, if you ain't pulling that cash out your bank account, you financing. It's the same thing. Personally, my husband, we have credit cards, but my husband don't like using them. His motto is cash is king. So if it ain't for something important, he ain't let me put it on a credit card. I ought to pay cash. So if I do use my credit card, I have to pay it off by the end of the month. Excuse me, and that's just what it is. But I don't see nothing wrong. Hell, with making your money stretch. Hell, if somebody willing to give me credit and say I pay $100 a week or whatever, I don't know, because most of the time those resale sites, you paying triple, double, quadruple what the damn on sneaker costs anyway. So hell, some you you might have to finance it as much money as they be charging to on them resale prices. Shoot, if you can finance one and you have money in your pocket to get another sneaker you want, as long as you pay it off, you know, I don't see anything wrong with it. And there's another, but I know a lot of sneakerheads are not going to agree with this because I don't agree with it. But my husband says that I have a problem. I'm like an addict when it comes to my sneakers. And I'm like, I am no addict. I said, if you've seen the collection on some of these other sneakerheads, shoot, I'm a chump. when it when it comes to other collections, shoot, I'm a baby. I ain't got nothing. When you if you look at my collection, you look at some of these other collectors. The thing why my collection is not bigger than what it is because I was an on and off. You know, I ain't gonna even say collector. I don't like saying that word because I don't collect. I wear my shoes. I don't just buy shoes to let them sit in my closet. To me, that's a waste of money. But I was on and off. You know what I'm saying? So there was like a period, I want to say from 2016 to 20, 2018, maybe into 2017, where I didn't buy any sneakers. I had just started my LuLaRoe business. And so all of my money was going into that, just like trying to grow my business and, advertising. And I was doing parties and stuff. So, had to buy stuff to complement what I wore. So I bought a lot of sandals, things like that when it came to feet wear and shoes that I could wear with, if I put on a dress or a skirt that was comfortable because I was on my feet all day. Some of them days when I would go out selling, and mostly it was like every weekend, every Friday and Saturday. I would be going all day long. So, um, yeah, that's what my money was going into, and I would buy from other LuLaRoe reps and stuff like that just to grow my collection or whatever. So that's what my money was going. So yeah, had it not been for that, I would have a lot more sneakers in my closet. But I was so out of the loop when I got back into it, buying again or whatever. I kind of had to catch up. But my husband said that I'm an addict, and I said I'm no addict because I don't run after every doggone, excuse me, every sneaker that drop. I mean, there are people who every time Jordan Brand drop a sneaker, they go running to Foot Locker, Foot Action, the sneakers app. Nah, there are certain sneakers that I like that I, couldn't get my hands on. But I'm not a Jordan fan at all. I'm not a Jordan fan. I don't like Jordans too much. I could probably count how many Jordans in my closet, to be quite honest. Some people think I'm crazy, but I'm not a big Jordan fan. And to me, as well, um, Nike, they making them. Let me tell you something. I don't buy a whole lot of Nike sneakers like I used to. I pick and choose what I buy because of the simple fact that Jordan Brand, Nike, they going up in price on them sneakers, and the materials are getting cheaper and cheaper. And I said to myself, after I bought my off-white Vapor Masters, I was not paying not a penny over retail for any more Nike sneakers. It's not worth it. I might as well go and spend my money buying high-end sneakers. Why sit up there and pay $700-800 for an off-white Nike when I could go to Off-White herself and pay the same money that I would pay resale? And with the higher end brands, you're getting a better quality shoe, better made shoe, better materials. Not some piece of junk Nike is throwing together and selling to you. And then if it's a hype shoe, people copying it just to sell, and then they're going to quadruple the cost of the shoe. $180 shoe you now paying $1,000 for, and that shoe ain't worth $5, to be quite honest. So I don't do it. That's why you see me with my stuff. I just put my little monies to the side, and I pick and choose what shoe I'm gonna go after next. And most of the time, it's not no hyped up Nike shoe. I've been going looking at a lot of the high end brands, and I've been liking them. All Nike been dropping is them Jordan 1s. I don't wear no Jordan 1s. I don't even like them things. So Do y'all think that we have a problem? That we are addicts with these sneakers? Do we need Sneakers Anonymous? Let me know what y'all think in the comment box. Sneakerheads, do you think we have a problem? Are we addicts? Do we need some prevention? Y'all, I'm gonna get out of here. I'm gonna finish eating this food so I can get myself ready for bed and then watch a little television, as Grady would say. So thank y'all for watching. Thank y'all for subscribing. Leave your comments in the box below. Are we addicts? Do you think it's a problem financing sneakers, aka opening up a line of credit or using a credit card? Because that's all you're doing. Let me know. Dialogue with me. Give me that thumbs up. Share the video. Subscribe if you're not subscribed. Help your girl out. Peace.